work together, children. Don't you get weary. Work together, children. Don't you get weary. Great camp meeting in the promised land. We go and work and never get tired. Work and never get tired. Work and never get tired. Great camp meeting in the promised land. Great day you talk about a camp meeting. We used to have a camp meeting. You couldn't tell me nothing, no. The buckle them ain't coming back. They don't tell me for nails we land and things like that. Say, oh, this one gal over y'all, the other family over there. You don't got 10 acres over yonder. And then you got the other one good yonder, he don't take up 20 acres over there. And this other one over here, it don't take up 40 acres over there. That one have to take up 40 acres because they had 20 acre churn. But they're the truth. They've been a great camp meeting. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. He ain't stop shouting. He ain't stop shouting. He ain't turning back on the Lord. Oh, every evening, you ain't have to go on yonder and mind nobody for coming to no praise house. Once they get that cold in the song, they know see the time for come on in there. And when they get in there, it ain't can't be cold. It can't be hot. This thing ain't shout. Crack there, I tell you the truth. Yes, sir. And turn around again for they're clean. They don't throw any feet. Walk in the land. Walk in the land. Because see, everybody ain't haven't had no tack anything. Everybody ain't had no news. Everybody ain't had no plow. And things like that. Right of us, everybody can't make that thing. Understand? He ain't had but a few of that John. Well, we come here, but in Gullah, who been in them blacksmith? Them in the line and thing, who we know how to take that metal and melt that thing down and ship them to anything on the need for work. See, children, they don't stand it. Them things that when they see a plow, the plow just come there. Things that when we see a saw, it just come there. Things that when we see an axe, it just come there. No such a thing. Blacksmith, been at the one, it's a different metal and thing, even back yonder, and how can Gullah, where that children called Africa now. They've been the one who been know how to melt them down, shape them up, make them hot, and then make that thing smooth right along. Shape them like whatever you need. Oh, they ain't had no story thing for go get them. Yeah. Even if battle and thing, we better make them. And nobody say you going for buy your battle. You know where they going? You want to go on out in the wood? They write somebody, tell you this year that the tree right jump. They jump down that thing. After they jump down, they have to work with their hands for that come so. That's right. And you want to talk about them there when you want to go out Jonah, but then the moose will come and run back indoors because it be so cold and chill out Jonah. Yeah. Great day, my mama said, son and day, you be going for that bucket of wonderful wash up in the morning and ice be put down. You have to take ice picking thing, bam up the thing, bam up, and then it might get a little bit of water to move around my knee. Yeah. Imagine that. And you had them wood house and thing, you know. So all between the boards, seemed like the air know how to slip in. Seemed like everywhere you sit down, the air slip in. Anything. You be like, great day. So you used to stoke that fire, you know. Yeah. You used to have that fireplace in there. Because see, the axe been always come in handy though. The axe been a split that wood and thing early in the daytime sun high. You know, we'll tell you, don't see it going to Jordan for buying no wood. You haven't had that thing done in it. People couldn't be trifling because they're going dead, yeah? Damn people used to do all kind of things, done load up the wood, done had a stack of wood right there by the fireplace. Other rest of people had a nice thing in the yard, used to stack them up high there, so that way if it get too much of in the one right, yeah, go on, Jonah, get that right cup, get that good dry one, get that good dry one, don't get no green one now. Ain't it? And they would have throw that big log in there, throw that kindling one down there, get that thing light up, and then what everybody do that?
Turn it back to us.
Why we do the way bogey was? Get the bogey, and what the bogey do, then it's on. And if we got 20 head of children, they'll push you up. Look like, move. Now see, have a while, Lord, create this, some people be going up. Had this your foot stove in the house. Yeah, for just had them black kilo putting down in that fireplace no more walk. Had DJ piping, had to cut a hole in that thing, and push that pipe through that wall, and we be trying to wonder what that old people are doing to make a hole in the wall. And then next thing, a little while, somebody come with that card, and clean with the card. And when clean with the card, there's your black thing on the back of the thing. And we said, what that? And then they find out the thing metal again. Well, great God, wait on back now. That thing with that store. What store? Great, they come up there. He have to cook out doors no more. Oh no, sir. He got leaf pot now, got leaf pot. See, Johnny, you cook with that big old black potted thing. You cook with that big old number 3 tub. You all know why, don't show off. You all know why. And some of the other captain, the cat tub, don't show off no. Okay. So but now it could have had a little bit small about you. Because see that damn store baby was so big. So you have to put that thing on it. And great God, don't damn get one that good old black frying pan. And season that thing for us. Oh, but it season crafty time now. Somebody going on casting. And it don't catch that mullet. And it coming back in with that mullet. Great God, and it throwing that leaf in. Y'all know some of y'all still eat that crackling, but don't now put that crackling too much, y'all. But it throwing that crackling. And get that thing going. And then, you know, once you know it break, and I'm take that, done clean them. Done got some out of all that thing. And then some people like patrol the cornmeal. Because you know cornmeal be around blended there. Because you see, even up there, our gardener there. They had a place you had to go for get your grits and thing, you know. And then grind up meal farm. You get that meal and then, you see, so you know, people ain't been throwing nothing. Because even that hot sauce, that corn now, you use that for your what? There you go. Go tell them about it.
For your hog.
For the hog and the cow. You see, you used to use that, and even that stalk from that corn thing, you use them for your tater. Sweet tater bake. You understand? So ain't nothing for throw away. Throw away what? You try to throw away something, you do it right there to grab them up. Because they've been going to do something with the thing. So we everybody been having something for them, but ain't nobody been hungry. Because ain't nobody been lazy. That's right. Then you want to go on up to and get what you need. Oh, yes, sir. And we could have never not wished with that yellow grapes and tea. Over the table, back and forth was a great day, I tell you. Truth make you slap your grandma, she'll slap your back. But I tell you the truth now. That is a good evening. And you know that all the people, if you in a pig crawl or something, they we around you, eat your food. Eat them all. Eat them. Yeah. You have to keep yourself strong. Need something to stick to your bones. I used to wonder that what food do for the truth to stick to your bone. I said, well, some people must have got more bone than me because they never stick to me. They used to tell you that. They used to tell you got to build up strength because you have to work, you know. Because see, they don't do all of this here. They ain't supposed to stay clean. So come there clean and I'm going out in the field. Going out for work. Going out for getting together. But you know one thing? This young man been to tell me the other rest of the day, but what she been going through for trying to get this boy up in the morning for work. I said, great God, girl, you wanna better than me. I couldn't believe it. I said, girl, what? Tell me again? What you do? I know how they tell me that the sound. What been going on? Liar! Liar! Bless the Lord. Yeah. Don't you know the days are broad? You don't get up, you scam. There's gonna be some trouble in this your camp. You think, say you whine for let, I whine for let you sleep, while I fix the board and keep. But that's a putty how you do. Yeah. And don't you get any liars, you? Oh, I bet if I come across this floor, you ain't gonna find no time for snow. Daylight all like shining in while you asleep. Now that's a sin. And it ain't the candlelight enough for you done burn out without a snuff. Oh, but it go
holy morning truth. Just a bunning up in daylight too. Liar! Don't you hear me, boy? Boy, do you know you turning toward this wall? Boy, I hear that matter squeak. And don't you hear me when I speak? Now this your clock done struck off 6. Kelly! Bring me little sticks. You down, sir? Yeah, you down. And look here, don't you dare come around. See, you match yourself and go wash your face. Better not splatter all the place. I got something else for do, besides just a cleaning up after you. And take that comb and fix your head. Look just like a feather bed. And look here, boy, I gotta let you see. You better not whoop your eye at me. No, you come here, bring me down my spot. Boy, I'll whoop you till you crack. On in this your police. It seemed like I must lose my brain. Now you sit down at that table there. And just you whimper if you dare. Because every morning in this your face, it seemed like I must lose my brain. Now bow your head. Fold your hand. You wait till this blessing say, Lord, have mercy on me soul. And don't you dare take that roll. Lord, bless this food you're about to eat. And you sat still, I see that feet. Now you just try that trick again. God, give me peace and joy. Amen.